Boils on top of it, that's all. They're on the board anyway. Underneath the screen. Calcium chloride. Find calcium, find chlorine, crisscross, answer CaCl2. What is the formula by lead and chromate? Both of these are on here. You just got to crisscross. It's PbCrO4.
PbCrO4.
Aluminum. You find aluminum on here, find sulfate on here, crisscross, Al2SO43.
Al2SO43.
What is the formula for 10,4 chromate? You find 10,4, it's on here. Find chromate, it's on here. Crisscross, this time you have to reduce. The answer is C.
SnCO42.
What is the formula for barium hydroxide? So now what we're doing, we change things up. So barium is Ba, hydroxide is OH-1, crisscross, barium, OH, parentheses 2.
Barium OH2.
Now we're naming the compounds. These are even easier. And this is part of the test where the questions aren't going to match up because I know there's more of these on there than I typed in. So, nickel, then all you have to do is look on the back of this sheet, find ClO3. Hey, there it is, chlorate. Nickel chlorate.
Nickel chlorate.
Find PO4 on the back of this sheet.
I get it, bro. I get it,
PO4, PO4, hey, phosphate. Zinc phosphate. Name the compound. Well, this one you got to be careful. Everything ends in nitrate, so we got to find out what mercury it is on this sheet. It shows you mercury 1 has Hg with a little 2 at the bottom. Answer is mercury 1. K is potassium. Find ClO3 on the sheet. It's chlorate. There's the answer. This one right here. The Roman numeral tells you the charge. The Roman numeral is always positive, so I know it can't be B or D. So that's be either A or C. Now I look on the periodic table. What's copper? CO or Cu? Copper is Cu.
So it's Cu plus 2?
Plus 2. Name the compound. Now we're in the molecular compound, and you have to use prefixes.
What chapter was it when we did stoichiometry?
11?
No, 12.
12.
But the stoichiometry, which we'll get to in a minute, I only gave you the easiest stuff on that. It's all it is mole-mole ratios. There's no finding. The only step is step 2. And there's a lot of questions easier than that. So you just got to look at the ratio. We'll get to it in just a minute after the equation.
You want this?
So, 2 nonmetals, you got to use prefixes. So the answer here is carbon 4 tetrafluoride.
Carbon 4 tetrafluoride.
Si is silicon 2 oxygen, silicon dioxide. 2 nitrogen, so dinitrogen. There's the answer right off. You don't need to know anything else. What's the only one that starts with di? B. Yeah, but there's tetraoxide. Now, we're on chapter 11.
What is the
equation.
small whole number that appears?
We spent a long time on this.
That's a subscript.
No, it's not.
I mean coefficient. I ain't even look down.
Coefficients, the only thing you can change.
Coefficient.
To balance chemical equations, may mean necessary to adjust the coefficients. Again.
Coefficient.
No, I should have had these exams tomorrow for my grades.
What you mean?
All it does is tell me how many you got right. It doesn't tell me which ones you missed. So I can go back and say, how in the world did you miss it? It's a balanced equation. Zach's over there next door trying to do this. He wants to know what number goes in front of the FE. Well, look at the O's. I got 4 and 3. What's the common denominator? 4 and 3. 12. What times 4 gives you 12? Three. 3 times 3 is? So 9 has to go here.
9.
Watch your mouth. Which coefficients correctly balance the equation? Just gotta put numbers in.
What's
Count.
that?
How many ends do I have on this side?
4, 2.
2. Over
2.
here?
2.
How many H's?
4.
How many here?
2.
So what needs to go in front
2.
here? 2. So that answer, that answer, that answer. So B is not the answer.
D.
What?
Skip chapter 10, man.
There's nothing on chapter 10 in there. I put no mole mass and volume stuff on there. Because chapter 2 was all math. I didn't put anything on the exam on that. So now, how many ends for you? Now, and then I got, so the ends count up 2 and 2, so the answer's gonna be 1, 1, 2.
Is this that thing, Flex? Coach
I
Flex.
have a hard trouble. I had a hard time like remembering words and simple things.
Well, majority of people.
Chapter 8, you have thousands of those.
What?
Chapter 8.
I know, but that's what I told you, I picked out, just look on this sheet.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at
Pick
you
out.
a lot of notes on that.
Right here, which equation is not balanced, you just gotta count up, find out which one doesn't work. How many H's on D?
4.
How many on this side?
2.
Not balanced, everything else is balanced. Now, we're in type 2 reactions. And what kind of reaction do 2 substances combine to make a new substance?
No.
Synthesis, we did this. We did a lot of stuff on this. One of the few labs we did was on this stuff.